Hello everybody, welcome back to the last star in the Rolling Coaster Galaxy. Now this star is a bit easier than the first, but you still have to be very skillful in where you roll. Now I died the first time in this video, so we can just go ahead and ignore the first part of it. Just to let you know that this galaxy is a bit tricky for those that haven't played it, and for those that do play it, you know how tricky it is sometimes to go down the rainbow path past the beginning, because you gotta know where to turn your Wii remote so that your ball won't roll off the edge. Careful of Goombas and the bombs. No, all my coins. So like right here, you have to tilt your Wiimote maybe at a 45-degree angle or so, just enough so that it's tilted to the left. It's kind of hard to explain, but you get it with trial and error. It's funny how when you go that fast, the music speeds up to a ridiculous speed and it just sounds funny. Alright, so you have to just roll out and grab the star, but apparently I missed it. And now comes the second turn. As I record this, I only have to get 7 more stars and I'll be able to finish the game. But there's a little bit more afterwards. I won't say exactly what. It's nothing that requires you to go out and get more stars at in a big amount, I guess. You'll see what I mean though, once I record it. Once again, be sure you tilt your Wiimote so you don't fall off the edge, because you will fall off if you're not going the right angle. I almost fell off right there too. Alright, so keep on rolling. I prefer to go slow in case I miss and fall off. There's no really way to slow down here because you're going down a hill.